What's up, guys? Got another video today. Last summer, it was literally like the end. I bought wheels, I put them on for like a couple weeks. Never made a video about it. And today, I'm finally gonna put the wheels back on the truck, and then I'm gonna clean them up, get them ceramic coated and detailed, and then yeah, so pretty much this is what we got. It's 20 by 10 on a 35 by 12 and a half. I mean, for sitting out, they held air pretty good. So I'm gonna go ahead and start cleaning these up, and then I'll catch up with you guys in a bit. Alright, so if any of you guys are wondering what I'm using to clean up these wheels, I'll show you. I have the Jay Leno's ceramic detail spray, which is pretty good, and then I'm also using the Jay Leno's wheel cleaner. So I'm gonna go ahead and spray them all down, you know, scrub them down and stuff, and then we'll get the truck jacked up and I'll start putting them on for you guys. So see you in just a bit. It sucks trying to line them up with all the extra freaking holes for the studs. I think it's almost done. How big 35s are. The thing is though, actually, you know what? Alright, so we're back since we never finished the video about the truck and its wheels. And I got Braden with me today, as always.
Just graduated, you know.
Yeah, just graduated. So congrats to Braden. He's finally out like the rest of us. He's gonna start working that 9 to 5. Alright. So basically, we're about to wash the truck up, you know, give you guys maybe a little bit of cinematic stuff. Cause this thing's been dirty. It's been raining all week. I've been driving this to work as the daily since it's raining. Getting that worst gas mileage with the wheels on. Bro, the wheels still look pretty clean from back here. I ain't gonna lie. There's some dirt and stuff on them. So hopefully we'll test out how good my cleaning skills were and see if it does anything. So got the foam cannon, the power washer. I guess we're gonna let it rip, huh, Braden?
Sure, yes, sir.
I'll let you guys know, Braden's A1 filmer. Braden, the sky looks great here too.
Oh, it's gonna rain, bro. Look at that.
I know it's supposed to rain, but whatever. I'll finish the video before it rains. You see that?
Oh, yeah.
That does look pretty good. I hope this thing's got gas in it. It should. Oh
worst couple days.
Oh my god, dude, it's literally non-stop pouring lately.
It's gotta pour again, dude.
Oh yeah, I should turn the water on. Oh yeah.
Come back and hit me in the face.
Yeah, me too.
This one I ain't gonna hurt. Oh, he doesn't know how to touch his wand and use it correctly.
What? No, well, fucking.
Yeah. It's fucking.
What the fuck? Technical difficulty.
What a bitch.
No shit. Bro, it literally has gas. Had gas.
Had gas. Used it probably last time. Fucking drier than dry.
Oh, great. That's funny.
What is it? No gas?
Yeah, I guess my dad took all the gas.
Now you got a half-ass truck, dude.
Dude, for real. Alright.
The water.
Of course.
Mustang trip?
I guess we're going to the car wash.
Car wash.
I'll fuck with it, it's fine. That's funny. I should have honestly, it literally just had gas too, dude. I shook it up and everything. Nah, bro, there's still gas in there.
I just want to drier than dry. Yes.
Alright, Brayden, let's see if we can get this thing to go again. She gonna work this time. I'm calling it now. God damn. I wish it was electronic, dude. About to break a sweat. Come on. Wow.
Sun's coming out. Sun's coming out.
Okay, fuck it. Car wash it is.
I'ma tell you right now, don't panic. I got all this.
Dude, look how dirty it is, bro. You literally sprayed the whole thing down.
Still pull up right now, west side. I show you the best night. One day after week, I don't know about the rest.
Dude, I hate about this one. It takes forever for the soap to come out.
Just one rest. How can I? Don't you where we treat it like a teacher's on the standby. Can't lie, just like the spell, that's why I don't try. Get it, you be hot, I'm the bad guy. Shit, me that climatic anti. Quick to clean me up and use no hands, that motherfucker sanitize. Take it slow, you falling too fast, baby, just take it slow. I ain't trying to see you drop your heart, rather you drop it low. Yeah, lingerie, yeah, drop the clothes, don't be petty, yeah, touch your toes. Tripping all on me, gripping, can't let me go. I'ma tell you right now, girl, don't panic. I got hoes, this ain't romantic. That's too much work, I won't manage. Just fell in love and got hurt, taking 5 damage. You can still pull up right now, west side. I show you your best night. One day after week, I don't know about the rest. I know you chasing bags, why? Label me the bad guy. Never hold it, just want racks, how can I?
When you fall, you take damage. Yeah, you wanna take advantage. I got rice all on my body, I don't know.
Alright guys, me and Braden just got back. Tell him what's up now, Braden.
What, you gonna watch this?
Dude, I don't even know what we need to do today. Well, honestly, dude. Honestly, you can't even really see right now until I get close. But the car is definitely dirty, bro.
What the fuck?
That's where I patched it, so it not spread more. So that's fine. But yeah, actually, you know, since I got the new fucking wheels and tires on the truck, here's something else we did. A few weeks ago, went ahead and upgraded, got some new meats on the car, and they're so much better. Oh, in case you're wondering, I didn't go with the Nitto 555s. I went with some brand called Gladiator, and they're way cheaper. And honestly, I like them just as good. So, in that case, me and Braden decided to go do any fun stuff. Tires are cheap. Oh, and shout out to my cousin though, because she got it hooked up with where she works, where it only cost me 50 bucks to get all of them put on. So, shout out you, Taylor. I know you're watching. But yeah, anyways, I've decided, since I've been driving this thing to work, new light bulbs since these ones suck, and I'm not really a fan. Oh my god, dude. I'm gonna have to look at that real quick. Yeah, I'm not really, dude, it has to be from yesterday or some shit.
That was, yeah, dude.
But I'm gonna get, it's a splitter lip for the front splitter. Okay, this kid took my parking spot and he says his truck looks better. I can see through his truck. How's it better? How's it better? Yeah, so who knows, maybe supercharger for Braden. Maybe we'll teach Braden how to drive. Who knows? Nah, but this thing does need washed too.
Ooh, look at this.
Dude, it literally
Both sides
builds up right there. But it is what it is. What are we doing to your truck, Bo?
Yeah, help me sub with me.
Oh yeah, I do need to do that.
Yeah. Help me become an electrician.
Just because I work in electrical at work doesn't mean I'm an electrician. I'll do it.
Help me become one.
Yeah, well, that's not even like hard stuff. You know what you need to do? You need to put your license plate back on, right?
I need to get my bumper installed first.
This kid says let's set the subwoofer on the floor. There's not even enough room to set it on the
I
floor.
need to get that thing installed first.
We're setting it in the seat. You don't have enough room to put it on the floor. So your sub's gonna go right here, Bo. I'll put that on video for you. Oh yeah, hold up. We should show them. Alright, so Bo's got this bumper that came with his truck when he bought it. And this one was all bad. So we just spray painted it because, you know, we already all know it's not the greatest truck. So I spray painted it for him. Helped him clean it up a bit so we can put it on. Because this bumper here is in metal here. The one on it is rusted out here. So if you try to stand on it or anything, you're not standing on it, you're standing through it. But anyways, guys, I think that's going to be it for the video. Maybe me and Brendan are going to figure out something else to do, start recording another video. So, thanks for watching. Peace.